North Dakota isn't happy with the bill surrounding Access Pipeline protesters. The state has filed a claim to the federal government for $38 million in reimbursements. This claim says law enforcement and other costs were incurred because the U.S. Army Corps failed to enforce the law, including its own regulations, and maintain public order during protests over the completion of the pipeline.
Federal and state health officials are investigating a salmonella outbreak in 26 states linked to raw turkey, and at this point, Minnesota is the most affected. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 90 people have been infected with the outbreak strain, 13 of them in Minnesota, the most of any state. No deaths have been reported, but 40 people have been hospitalized. The sick patients range in age from younger than 1 year to 91. Interviews with sick patients suggest the contaminated products involved different turkey brands and products, including ground turkey, turkey pieces, and whole turkey that were bought from many different locations. 2 people sickened in the outbreak are from a household where raw turkey pet food was fed to pets. Officials say they have not identified a single common supplier tied to the turkey products. However, the CDC is not advising stores to stop selling raw turkey products. Also, consumers can continue to eat properly cooked turkey products.
Later on Valley News Live at 6, what's next for North Dakota's tiniest town after losing a third of its population?
Comfortable temperatures today and a fair amount of clouds along with our smoke in the air, mainly in the 70s, and that's where we'll stay for the next couple of hours. Speaking of that smoke, here's a capture from our tower time-lapse camera, and look at the smoke build in the early afternoon, even difficult to see out to the Sanford Hospital. The smoke will clear. The rest of your weekend forecast is next.